All right, take two, maybe. It's what's the word? Revolving door. But that was the case manager who had to come in because they believe that Dave will need IV antibiotics for an extended period of time. So that means that they'll send him home and I have to administer the IV antibiotics.
I can administer my own.
You're going to administer your own?
They leave me with this thing. I just plug it in.
You just plug it in. So they were talking to us about home health care, IV infusion, and those types of things. And
are there any nurses in the audience?
Why? You going to invite somebody to come by? That's what home health is for.
Okay.
Are you looking for another sponge bath?
See if there's any qualified medical professionals.
I'm qualified. She literally looked at me and she's like, you can do it. And I was like, I really don't want to. I don't know why I have to do it. And no, I don't think I'm qualified to do it. But I think that's going to be what it is. You okay?
My leg hurts.
Your leg hurts. Okay. I'll put your hand up. There you go. Oh, Sheila's in New York, though. She's a nurse.
You want to get out of the snow for a few weeks?
Why are you trying to put me out of a job? Have I not been doing a good job taking care of you?
You just haven't done the things.
What things have I not done?
To dance and sponge bath, and you didn't do either.
Okay, first of all, your HMO policy does not cover a dance. If you'd like a dance, you need to upgrade to a PPO. Your Florida Blue does not pay for dances. I guess Bella, maybe a PIC line, that might be the word she used. And then home health comes and flushes and does something and does something. I'm not a nurse, but boob grabbing is part of the healing process.
I agree.
Now, your HMO doesn't afford for boob grabbing either. I'm going to have to send you an invoice for all of these unpaid bills. I don't even want to take an estimate at what this is going to cost. In my brain, I can't even comprehend multiple days in the hospital, emergency room visits, surgery, home health. Yeah, the case manager came in.
Where your head's at, Stacy?
What did Stacy say?
Strippergram.
Strippergram. It's definitely not covered. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. They gave you your pill, so you're probably going to get sleepy. Kimberly, just dance for him, for crying out loud. Nobody wants to see me dance. He doesn't want to see me dance, by the way. What? But why? You want to put one more pillow under your foot?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's moving.
It's fine. I just moved it.
No, I mean it's coming down. It's crooked. Do you want to? Just don't pay. Just don't pay any of the bills. Yeah. It's yeah, I can't even mentally wrap my brain around any of that yet. So So now we're just waiting to see infectious disease and ortho specialist to read the CT for us. I'd also like somebody to give us an update on his overnight labs, because I want to see what his white count is and his CR something, which is the infection one, CRSP, CR something. I have to start writing all these things down. No, he cannot have the surgery now, which is why they want to send him home and do IV antibiotics for a period of time. Not send him home now. I don't know that it'll be tomorrow or Saturday. Like, I don't know what day he's going to come home. Time for a commercial break for the laundry lady. I know.
Yeah. Head
on over to laundrylady.co, where you can get all of your natural, vegan, zero microplastic, non-toxic, plant-based laundry detergent.
Just show up and put your email address in.
Go over to the website and put your email address in. Let me put the link up. I love that you guys are saying time for a laundry lady break. Let's see if you can see the oh, Audra, don't I know it?
What?
CRP, inflammation. Thank you, Megan. Beth, I have to ask them that. I know he has a portal, so I have to figure out how to log into his portal, because I don't think his was ever set up. So I have to look in, because it would go to his email and I don't have access to his email. But I have a notes app that I've been putting things down. So I know the antibiotics that he's on. I know the pain medications that he's taking. I know all of those things. So I'm just waiting for updated labs, because they did take labs last night. Oh, Asia, is that how you say your name? Bought my laundry lady last night. Helping fund these medical bills for my favorite lady on the internet.
Thank you. Orders yesterday.
Yeah, Jessica, I think you're right. So I think what they do is, once the internist and infectious disease doctor have a consult about what his white count is and whether or not the infection is controlled enough to take him home, that's when we get to do that.
It was 8.
8?
Yes. I think that's what she said. Does that sound right? It was 8. It went down from
Can
9.
we file a homeowner's claim on this? Because it happened in the garage?
No.
No?
I don't do that.
You don't want to do that?
No.
Okay. Somebody asked. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even really know what homeowners insurance is. I know we have to have it. Yeah, Angela, I think we're just waiting to see all of those labs and kind of look at that. And I just want to see, yeah, his fever broke. I came back last night because he started running a fever, and I didn't want him to be here alone overnight running a fever. But it did break at some point in the overnight. Why don't we turn this light off and you can try and rest your eyes?
The light doesn't bother me.
Let's just turn it off.
The light is not bothering me.
Let's just turn it off.
Leave the light alone. My foot hurts.
I know your foot hurts. They just gave you some medicine, so it's going to take a little bit to kick in. But I think if we turn that light off, you can...
I can fall asleep with the light on. I did it all day. It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the homeowner's issue is if someone got injured on our property.
Somebody else.
Right.
Yeah. Yep, the kids are helping. I texted this morning to check on everybody. And Sophia goes, are you going to be home before I go to school? And I said, no. do you need something from me? And she goes, yeah, I have 2 papers that I need signed. Can Matthias just forge your signature? And I was like, yeah, he can. It's going to probably look like a 3rd grader wrote it, but go ahead. Make sure he spells my name right. So yeah, they were, feeding dogs this morning and doing dishes and, you know, all of that. This morning I asked him to just clean the countertops and take the laundry out. Oh, there's somebody knocking now. Oh,
Hey.
all right. I'll check in again in a little bit.